I'm Anthony Mann. I'm the parts manager of Gold Fields branch. I'm basically in charge of sales and warehouse management and the people here. Basically, this branch is a vendor held inventory. Our job is to hold parts for the customer, and the customer requests them as and when they need it. The customer also has the opportunity to add certain parts on to stock, whatever we've agreed to stock on. And depending on the demand, we increase or reduce our stock level. The advantage is we hold the stocks, and as and when they need it, they take it and they pay for as and when they use. And also this is a 24-hour branch. So we provide 24 all-round service during the day, any time of the day, 7 days a week. The goal for the customer is to have the right parts at the right time for usage, to also cut down on his downtime where he wants a part which is not available and he would have to go into our Takwa branch to get it. Meanwhile, he can work within 5 minutes, he gets his parts and goes to fix his machine. Beside the part, the customer also is doing his own rebuild. And we have what we call a 100% list. The customer has pre-provided for us. And based on their schedule, we make sure that the kits are available as and when they want to use it. Engine, transmission, torque converters, everything. Because we do that based on customer's plan, the forecast the customer gives us. And we make sure the parts are ready as and when it is required. We also offer the service exchange options where the customer has a breakdown. He doesn't have the luxury of waiting for parts to come or to rebuild a component. We give them the service exchange and they use it. They bring their old core back. We take it to Takoradi, our CR's news facility. They rebuild and we give them the final cost of the rebuild. The service exchange also, besides it being a quick fix, where the customer doesn't have to waste too much time, it also has a fixed price where we give it to you, and the worst case scenario will be a rebuild for the money. So the customer saves a lot of money, and the only thing the customer, additional charge the customer pays for is the service exchange fee, which is very minimal in terms of time and cost. We also have a new hose container, which began operation about 3 months ago. And basically the customer used to have a lot of challenge with especially air-conditioned hoses being built by a competitor. And so this has come as a huge relief to the customer, where competitive hoses were not suitable for the kind of systems and operations that happens on site. So the customer is really impressed with us being on site. Also, the new hose facility, we have the capability of building competitive hoses. And we started doing that and the customer is so happy. We're looking at going on a full scale. By my last count, we've had 30 installations on the product link and the customers seem to be very happy with it. It's an on-time machine update, where whatever is happening on the machine, customer gets alerts. Depending on the level, if they have to stop the machine immediately to attend to it, then they do. So it's a huge benefit where somebody will intentionally overuse the machine, and the customer gets, as it's being done, the customer gets alert. Basically, one of the advantages is also to the expertise Mantrac, being the car dealer we offer to the customer, and also being here offers them a lot of downtime advantages, where we are here to make timely solutions, give timely solutions to the kind of breakdown and information required to bring the machine up.